Thousands of doctors and medical scientists are taking a stand against the nation's lockdowns and are calling for the country to reopen. One America's Pearson Sharp has more. Scientists say the lockdowns could have devastating consequences.
Tens of thousands of doctors are taking a stand against the oppressive lockdowns imposed by radical left-wing governors across the country. Some 35,000 doctors worldwide have joined together and signed a new document calling for an immediate end to the pandemic lockdowns. The effort, known as the Great Barrington Declaration, is being spearheaded by doctors from Harvard, Stanford, and Oxford universities. These doctors say they have grave concerns about the damaging physical and mental health impacts of the COVID-19 policies, which have had tremendously negative consequences on public well-being. Instead, the doctors are calling for a new approach, what they call focused protection. Their new plan would allow most people to live their lives normally, building up immunity through natural infection, but also providing safeguards for the elderly and other at-risk communities. The consequences of the lockdown include fewer children going in for vaccinations, more deaths from heart attacks, fewer cancer screenings, and deteriorating mental health. The doctors say all these effects will lead to an increase in deaths in the years to come, all of which could have been prevented if not for the lockdowns. The medical scientists also argued against waiting to reopen for a vaccine, saying that keeping these measures in place until a vaccine is developed will cause irreparable damage.
So, in your experience as a doctor, is this lockdown more harmful to the public health than the coronavirus?
Absolutely. Absolutely. And it was supposed to be a 2-week slow the curve, turned into a 6-month complete lockdown. But there's no science base behind that. Nobody can live in lockdown forever. That's not healthy for anyone.
Following the declaration from the doctors, White House officials have taken notice and are now considering the recommendations outlined in the proposal. States like California have imposed some of the harshest lockdowns in the nation, with devastating consequences to public health and forcing tens of thousands of businesses to permanently shut down. Yet others, like South Dakota, have imposed no lockdowns whatsoever, with Governor Noem using her state as an example of how pointless the lockdowns have been. Pearson Sharp, One America News. Want to see more videos like this? Visit OANN.com for immediate access to all the clips you've been waiting to see.